Hello and welcome to LEKAPatterns bikini tutorial. Below at the description of the video you can find a direct link to the shop where you can get the pattern. For this bikini you need a stretching lining and the main fabric, which should be suitable for swimwear, mostly with lycra. Lining panel details. At first we cut out the same size. The lining should be their size by trimming the sides. At the two sides start cutting with 0.5 cm and by going to the top you have to reduce the distance to 0. You have to finish at the top without any reduction. As I said, trim both sides. The bottom part of the lining is also trimmed 0.5 cm. Cut out the straps. Make two details 60 cm long and 3 cm wide. And also make one detail of 170 cm and 3 cm wide. This one is for the tie at the bottom. Fold in half along and sew with serger. Turn the detail to the good side. Add the strap to the main detail. Place the strap between the two details, good sides inside. The end of the strap place at the top part and pin all layers together. At the sides, both layers should place evenly. Sew with the serger from the bottom to the top. And most important, that the strap would place in the center at the top. Turn out the detail to the good side. Sew the bottom part. Make a fold of the bottom part 1.6–1.8 cm. And pin the fold. Fix the fold by making a seam. It doesn't matter on which side you make the seam. The seam should be on the seam of the serger, approximately 1.5 cm distance. Make both details the same way. Pass through the tie which you prepared before. Fix the ends of the tie and straps by making a seam at the ends. and trim the seam allowances. The bottom part of the bikini. While cutting out the details, it is very important to take attention to the directions when placing the pattern on the fabric. There are 4 details for the back. First, join at the middle seam. Before using the front detail, check it one more time with the pattern that you place it the right direction. Join the back and the front details together. Place one layer into another one. Match the back details middle seams. To the waist seam. Turn out to the good side. Match the seams and pin them together. The good side stays inside. Sew one of the leg holes with the serger. Always start sewing before the seam. While sewing the first leg hole, always take attention to the other layers that would not catch them. So move them away from the sewing seam as much as you can. Turn out to the good side. The next part is probably the most complicated in this sewing. I filmed the same step twice to make it clear. So take a look and then make the actions. Make the fold on both edges. Then fold one more time in half so that the previous folds would match each other. Hold both layers from inside. Hold them strongly and turn it out. Pin the layers. One more time the same steps. It is very important that the seams would match each other. Pin the layers around the leg hole as much as you can. Also, before sewing, it is very important to move away the fabric which is inside. And while sewing, you have also always to move away the fabric so that it would not be caught by the serger. Don't be in a rush while sewing here. Pull out more of the fabric when needed. Leave 3 or 4 centimeters gap for turning out the garment. Turn it out and finish with a needle. That's it. Enjoy the summer with your new bikini and subscribe our channel for more tutorials.